to show you how to make your deposit. It's as simple, it's very simple. So you go to puprime.com, you can see it. So you go to the website puprime.com, you click on this menu button. Sometimes don't click because it's loading, so you hold on. So you click on this image here. I don't know, can you see this image? Yeah, this image, just click it, this one. So it will load for you, then you put in your register email address, the one you register with. So you log in. So we want to make deposit. To make deposit, we click on this deposit here. So once you click on the deposit, you select the account you want to make deposit into. You select it here. So if you have more than one account, but in this case, you just have one account there, you put it. So how much do I want to deposit? You put it. Let's say I want to deposit $500. Let's do $1,000. So any amount you want to deposit, you put it there. So you continue. So you can deposit in Naira. You can and the money will be converted to dollars for you. You can deposit in USDT for people that use cryptocurrency. You can deposit in cryptocurrency. So for people that use Naira, you can see Nigeria Local Bank transfer. If you want to use USDT, this is USDT TRC20. You can see any of them. Bitcoin, you can see different options. They want to use through Netella, different options are there. So for Naira deposits, you click on this. You click on continue. So you will see the amount you are paying in Naira. This is the amount you are paying in Naira for $1,000 as at today. By the time you are doing the video, it's possible to have increased or decreased. So based on the fluctuation. So this is the account number you pay into. This is the account. This is the bank. This is the account name that you pay into. You just do the transfer of this amount into the account. In the description, in the narration, just put your name in the description. Don't put anything crypto, forex trading. Just put your name there. Then you upload the proof of payment. You just click this place. You upload the receipt here. So after you uploaded it, you just click on pay now. It's as simple as that. Once you click on pay now, and you can reach out to me, the money should reflect in your account within in less than 10 to 20 minutes. 10 to 20 minutes is too much. In less than 5 minutes, you see the money in your trading account. So this is how to make your deposit. And if you want to make withdrawal, it's simple also. So let me see. So the money will go back your your account. Do you get it? The same account you make deposit with. So you just put the amount you want to withdraw. Maybe you want to withdraw $500. You put it there. You click on continue. You select Nigerian Bank. So you put your account details there and you submit it. It's as simple as that. And you get the money will be sent back to your account. And also, if you want to make deposits, please don't send money from your wife's account, from your company's account. Send money from the account that carries your name, the same name, not joint account that is in your name. This one is very important, please. Send money, fund your account with the account that carries your name, not your wife's account, not your company's account. It's very important. And you can at the same time send me the proof of payment. I can help you to fast track it.